Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure OAuth token storage with Keychain and Keystore. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the necessity of secure token storage in applications. Identifying the platforms you will work with is essential. For iOS, familiarize yourself with the Keychain services. For Android, you will use the Android Keystore system. Start by setting up your project environment. For iOS, ensure you have imported the security framework. Create a function to save a token in the keychain. Use the SEC-item-add function to store the token securely. Make sure to handle errors appropriately to ensure robustness. Next, write a function to retrieve tokens from the keychain. Use SEC-item copy matching for this operation. Confirm that your retrieval function checks for the existence of tokens. Moving on to Android, set up your app to utilize the Keystore. Start by creating an instance of the Keystore class. Initialize the Keystore with the Android security provider. Generate a key if you don't already have one. You'll need to implement a function to store your token securely. Use Keystore's methods to persist token information. Ensure that you handle key protection properly. Next, develop a function to retrieve the token from the Keystore. Implement error handling to manage access issues. Test the Keychain and Keystore implementations thoroughly. Make sure you can successfully store and retrieve tokens on both platforms. Consider setting up a fallback mechanism for older devices. Review your code for best practices regarding security. Documentation is vital. Comment on your code where necessary. Finally, ensure your application complies with security standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.